Hello students, let us discuss three-dimensional representation of organic molecules. Means here if you see the paper we can write the 2D, okay, means two-dimensional. But if you want to show a organic molecule in a 3D manner and with the what 3 axis, how you are going to show? Here the 3D image of molecule from a two-dimensional picture can be perceived by using the certain conventions like solid and dashes wedge formulas. Here means if a structure in the 2D on the paper can be shown as a 3D on paper by using some solids lines and some dashes lines. Okay, that is called by wedge formulas. Now let us see how you are going to show the structure in the 3D manner on a paper. So here you can see the example, okay. So this normal line, two lines, okay, this we have the normal lines indicate bonds on the plane of the paper, means they are present on the what paper. Now this dash line, okay, dash wedge bond away from the observer, means it is a far away from the observer. You can take the what below of the plane of the paper. Here this solid line, this is a solid line, indicate means what bond towards the observer, means it is very close to the observer. So nothing but it is above the plane of the paper. So here you can see solid wedge bond projecting out of the plane of the paper. So this is the what out of the plane of the paper towards the observer. It is very close to the observer, so we can see clearly. So that's why it's writing the word solid line. Dash wedge, nothing but bond projecting out of the plane of the paper. This is also out of the plane of the paper but away from the observer. So it is a somewhat far from the observer. So that's why we are showing some dash lines. Here a normal line, nothing but these two lines, okay. The bonds lying in the plane of the paper. So they are present on the plane of the paper, okay. So this is the example. Here you can see the wedge and dash representation of example for what methane. In wedges are shown in such a way that the broad end of the wedges is towards the observer. So here you can see. So this is what means is very close to the eye. So this is the broad end towards eyes. Okay. So here we are also this one broad end towards the eyes. So we are showing like this. Okay. So the broad end of the wedges is towards the observer, means it is very close to the eyes.